Electrical safety is critical, especially in areas where water is in close proximity. Enerlites GFCI receptacles provide essential protection against electrical shock, helping prevent serious injury in kitchens, bathrooms, garages, and outdoor spaces. Available in 15 amp and 20 amp models, Enerlites GFCIs are the reliable choice for residential, commercial, and industrial installations. They're UL-listed, tamper-resistant, and available in weather-resistant options for extra durability in wet or damp environments. These receptacles automatically shut off power when a ground fault is detected, offering real-time protection and peace of mind. The built-in test and reset buttons ensure the device is working properly, with a clear indicator light for added safety and status visibility. GFCIs are easy to install and designed to fit standard wall boxes and decorator wall plates. Make sure to turn off the power at the circuit breaker. Remove the wall plate and unscrew the receptacle. Use a voltage meter and test the wires to make sure that the load wires are inactive. Unscrew the wires from their terminals. The Enerlites GFCI model can replace any in-wall outlet. Connect the incoming power to where the receptacle says "line" on the back. Connect the black wire to the hot terminal and the white wire to the neutral terminal. Remove the yellow strip and insert the load wires into the terminals. The load will provide ground fault protection when you supply power to another receptacle. Connect the copper wire to the ground terminal with the green screw. Carefully push the device and wires into the outlet and screw on the wall plate. Turn the power back on and push the reset button to activate the receptacle. Use the test button to ensure that the outlet will cut off power if an electrical fault should happen. The weather-resistant models feature sealed components and UV-resistant materials, making them perfect for patios, pool areas, and exterior walls. Whether you're wiring for new construction or replacing an outdated outlet, Enerlites GFCI receptacles deliver the safety, performance, and durability that today's codes demand. To learn more about our full line of safety devices, visit Enerlites.com today.